Hey there, this is quite a sight this week for Smarter Real Estate Weekly on Wednesdays. I'm Julie Tam, managing broker of LYN Realty in Houston, and you are watching my special series, Building My Dream Home. I'm actually at an iron shop where active welding is taking place, and I'm going to take you through because this is where our ironwork is getting made. So it's super exciting. Um, it's dirty in here. It's gritty. It's the real deal. You can really see how all the elements come together. Um, this iron shop is making our front doors, the iron double front doors, and all the iron stair parts. So we have 3 exterior stairs, one leading up to the front door, staircase in the garage from the ground level up to the house. The first floor is elevated over 8 feet into the air because it's in a floodplain. And then also the iron staircase in the backyard from that back patio going down to the yard level. Now the interior iron is not being fabricated here. That is prefabricated by the factory and installed by our carpenter who's doing all the trim in the house. But this is custom iron for all the exterior elements. And so I want to show you things in progress. Right here is going to be one of the 2 front doors. So we've got double front doors. This is about how high the threshold will be under the front door. So if you imagine this door sitting up about 3 inches off the ground, that is how tall it will be. We made a little correction today from where the hole for the lock is going to be, shifting it higher, and then putting the door handle lower. This being the door handle, it's going to sit right here where you see these 2 lines. And of course, the doors will be 3 inches higher off the ground than it is right now, because it's just sitting on the ground right now. And they'll just weld this back together and then drill a new hole for the lock. And I want to show you a few other parts. So this is an option if you want a wider door handle, but we thought this is too wide already for it to feel good on either my husband or my hands. And this one is too thin. Doesn't have enough weight to it. So this one is a nice happy medium. It's 18 inches long. The longest it goes is 20 inches. It can be shorter, but we thought this is a good length. It gives it nice weight. It's thick. It feels heavy. It feels strong, which is what iron should feel like. So we like it. And then we have the stair part. So here are the spindles for the outdoor stairs. And keep in mind, this is all unfinished, right? It's just the basic iron. There's no color to it. It looks dirty, but they are going to do the black color for all of the iron work. And so these are the individual spindles. We're doing plain, just all the way on the stair railing for all 3 sets of exterior stairs. It actually kind of reminds me of a harp, with all those strings vertically. And so since we're musical people, we thought that would look nice. I already forgot what this was. We walked away. What is this, Sasha? Is this the end rail? Because he also mentioned like the bottom. No, I think this is the post. This is the end post. Yeah. And then this is the bottom. And also the handrail on top. Yeah, I think this is what that is. Like we walked away and then the parts moved. And so now that we're back, I'm a little bit confused. But anyway, just wanted to show you that and how things come together when you're doing a custom build. You actually get to come out to sites like this where it's pretty cool. You don't just go to a fixed showroom. Well, some custom builds, you do that. But a lot of times when you're working with a builder that's building a bunch of homes, like, spec houses, or you're only getting to pick which house that you want and just customize it, which is semi-custom, then you don't get to do all these cool things. But just coming out here and really seeing how they make the iron is a really neat experience. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please click like and also subscribe so you don't miss an episode. And I hope you'll join me for future episodes of Smarter Real Estate Weekly on Wednesdays as I take you through this process, especially of building my dream home. There's still lots more to see and lots more progress on the way. Have a great week, guys, and happy holidays. Hope you're having a great one.